Hey guys! I was like, I picked up a bag and it ripped right now. But anyways, greetings and salutations everyone! How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I hope you guys are all, like, honestly though, I hope you guys are all doing super awesome today. And I hope that I can make it a little bit better with this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We're going to be doing a haul video today, so if you guys are interested in seeing the thrifting videos for this particular haul, I'm going to have it linked right there and down below. I went to the same store 2 days in a row. One was in a regular thrifting video, and the other one was included in a vlog. So those videos have already thus been up, but I haven't shown you guys what I got yet. So I am really excited because I think I got some pretty cute stuff. The first thing I have here, now this is a present that I got for the kids, for all three. It's more of like a summertime thing though, because it is kind of cold right now, and if they want to get sprayed with water, they can just go outside when it's raining, because it's been raining here the past few days, and it's only gonna start raining a little bit more next week. But this was really cool. It's a light show spinning sprinkler hickey thingamabobber. I was gonna give this actually to Elizo though for his birthday, just because he likes to open stuff up, and I thought this would be really fun and he would just enjoy seeing this, even though they can't use this. This was $1.99. So fun. I don't know, like, this is the kind of stuff that that my friends and I played with growing up. So I feel like we had something very similar to this growing up in New York. Like, my neighbor, we were like friends, they lived right next door, and like we shared like a giant patch of grass in between our houses, and we would have like a slip and slide. There was like a little hill, and that was like the perfect little hill for us to slide down on the slip and slide. It was so much fun. And then we also had like something very similar to this. So I don't know if it was just like a water sprinkler, you know, like those older ones that like lay on top and they just go doop, doop, doop. It might have just been that, but in my head I like to pretend that it was this, because this is really cool. Okay, up next is another pool thing. I know I have just been buying these like crazy, but honestly with these three boys, they pop these things like no one's business, and I couldn't pass up $1.99 on this. It's one of these giant floating mats, and wouldn't it be so cool to just like inflate a bunch of these and like fill the pool with them, and then you just like everyone just like lay down on them? I don't know, I thought that would be really funny. But $1.99. Oh, for adults only. Like literally it says that on here, adults only, no children allowed, I guess. But anyway, super cool. I guess it'll just be for the adults. But I know those kids are gonna try and get on this thing anyway. But I'm really excited for this. $1.99. I got a couple of these already at this, actually the same Goodwill, but does it hurt to add another one? So there's that. Here's another thing that I got for Elizo for his birthday. This is a birthday present for him because his birthday is on Thursday, and it's called Happy Balloon. And I was like, what is this? I'm gonna open it up. It's okay, Eliza won't mind. It'll make it easier for him to open up later on. But they had one like on display, and I have seen this at the Goodwill for so long. They had a million of these during Christmas, and I'm kind of happy that I didn't cave in during Christmas, because I got a better deal on it now, because this was only 99 cents. And I think they were like still like a couple bucks, even though they were really cheap already during Christmas. But they are these inflatable balls, like, but they're furry, and they have like faces on. Like, how it looks like me. I'm cracking up, and it's yellow, which is perfect. So yellow is my favorite color. So yeah, 99 cents for this, and it comes with 3 of them, and I think it also comes with a pump. So very cool. I think the kids will get a kick out of that, and hopefully Eliza likes it for his birthday. He can open that up and we'll blow them up, and hopefully he doesn't break anything with them, because those kids just like, oh my gosh. I am really lucky that they haven't actually broken anything. Knock on wood. Do I have anything wood to knock on? Yes. over here. But yeah, I just live in constant fear that something's gonna happen, I think. I don't know. Even though they're really good. So, you probably won't break anything. Knock on some more wood. The next thing I have here, though, is this Sharper Image diffuser, or aromatherapy diffuser. Oh my gosh. So, ever since we got the one, the first one that we got from Amazon, I have been obsessed with diffusers. I just love them so much. Though I am allergic to some of the essential oils that you can use in them, like the peppermint one, I'm like kind of allergic to. The eucalyptus, I'm kind of allergic to. But my favorite is like any of the citrus ones, like lemon, and there's like a blood orange one. But lavender is my most favorite, and it smells so good. Which is funny that I'm not allergic to that, but I finally got one for my room. Yay! So I'm gonna put this in my room. I'm very excited. I might even switch it out for one of the smaller ones that we have, because this one I think is bigger and will last longer. And I like to turn these on throughout the day, and it's just like nice. We have two right now, and they do a pretty good job of making the whole downstairs smell awesome. So I don't know, I really like them, and I'm very excited for this guy. Hopefully it works though. But Goodwills, at least the ones that I go to, you guys should always check your Goodwills too for their return policies, because all the stores have different policies. But usually for electronics, you have 7 days. At most Goodwills, you have 7 days to return, or not return, but it's to exchange. And I know, like, okay, they have like another one for clothing, but I think Orange County Goodwills don't allow you to exchange or return or whatever. But the LA County ones do. So I should actually check if you can do clothing, but I don't think you can in Orange County. I think it's literally just electronics. Anyway, I'm sidetracked. This was $7.99. I think this one retails for about $40. Yeah, it's really cute, right? So very happy to have found me one of these. I've been wanting a diffuser for my room for a while, but I'm like, man, diffuser is so expensive. Like, even the one that we got from Amazon was like pretty pricey, and I was like, I want to find one at the Goodwill. And I'm very happy to have finally found one. Now to just test and see if it's working. Okay. Ooh, next thing I got is also for the house, and this one I'm pretty excited about. So I would love to be able to find one of the patterned versions of this, but I did find this beautiful throw, and I do like the color though. I do like it. Don't get me wrong, I do like it. It's in like a cafe au lait, that's what I'll call it, even though it's probably like a, it's not beige, I guess it is kind of beige tan color. It does have like a cool like woven design into it, and it does have like little tassels on the end. But this is a Pendleton throw, and it's pretty. I love it. I love the color. I'm hoping that I didn't even read to see if I can wash this thing. I just bought it because it was Pendleton. Oh goody gosh. It's dry clean only. Luckily, Mom has one of those dry cleaning kits, so hopefully she'll be kind enough to wash this for me, because I have no clue how to use the dry cleaning kit. So, or I guess I could bring it to the dry cleaners. But it's just a really pretty throw. I really like it, and it was $3.99. So, very excited for this little guy. Oh, this is actually something that I got from another thrifting adventure in a vlog. It wasn't from the same store, but I'll show it to you guys because this was the only thing I got. But I did get this super cute little faux Birkin printed bag, and this one is like a green Birkin with golden brown trim. It's so cute. I wish it had the crossbody, but it doesn't come with one. But this ended up being $6.99. But purple was the week. Was the color of the week. So it ended up being $3.50. So really cute, right? This is the only thing that I got at that store. So just wanted to include it and show it to you guys. Next thing I have here is I did also find this gorgeous Hobo International wallet. And I know like the light is kind of like washing it out, but it's in a really pretty like beige color. And I don't know, I'm really into beige. But beige, and then has silver hardware. It has a little bit of a stain thing right there. I'm hoping that it'll come out. But other than that, it's in such fantastic condition. And the inside print is this beautiful paisley. The wallet was $7.99. And other than like the little mark right there, and there's actually like, there's like 3 little marks on the front. Other than that, this wallet is in fantastic condition. And I know like a lot of you guys love Hobo wallets because I love them too. They are so functional. They hold a ton, and you can just use this as like an evening clutch as well because it's such a great size. So there's that. Oh, the next thing I have here too that I was really excited to find because I've never found anything from this brand before. But I don't know if you guys have heard of the brand called, I think it's pronounced Loewe, L-O-E-W-E. And I found these beautiful snakeskin heels. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. They're in a size 36 and they are so pretty. And they look to be like in fantastic condition. And I just love them. They are so classy. They are so gorgeous. And Loewe, like I'm really excited to have found Loewe at the Goodwill. But yeah, made in Italy. There's a little thing on the bottom of the shoe. Yay! So, okay, Loewe. And then one last item. Is this it? Do I have anything else in here that I forgot to show you guys? No, that's it. There's just like stuffing inside the bag. There's paper inside. But this brand is called Tano. And it is just like this oversized hobo bag in this beautiful brown leather. It has 2 front pockets right there. And it just opens so beautifully. Like seriously, this bag is like a Mary Poppins bag. You can fit literally your whole life in here. You can use it as an overnight bag, a weekend bag, a travel bag. And it's actually not too heavy. The leather is very lightweight and it holds a ton. So I got this one for only $7.99. And Tano bags are pretty pricey and they're actually carried in Anthropologie. So yay, Anthropologie! But that rounds out today's video. I hope you guys had fun checking out all the stuff I found. I think I got like a good spectrum of stuff. I have been... Oh, you know what? I didn't get anything that was like home goods related, but I did get the that large metal branch with leaves bowl. I'm going to try and insert a photo right here if I remember. It's right now it's sitting on the dining table, and that is like, when I saw it I was like, I just envisioned it on the table thinking of how beautiful it was going to be, and I couldn't be happier. It looks fantastic and I am very, very excited that I got it. I actually didn't buy it when I first saw it. That was the first store that I went to that day, and I went there first. I made my rounds and I was driving back home and I was like, you know what? I've been thinking about this bowl the whole day. And I did end up looking it up, and it is actually from Crate and Barrel. And I was like, no way. It's called the Oleander Bowl. So I was very excited that I was able to track down the name, or not even the name, but like where it was from, because it doesn't have any markings on the bowl. It was $10. And it's amazing. I'm very excited for it. So right now it's sitting in the dining table in all its glory, and Mom and Dad really, really like it, so that makes me happy as well. I really like it when they enjoy the stuff that I bring home. So that is the end of the video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Let me know if you guys have seen or anything really cool, or thrifted anything really cool recently at the Goodwill, because I always love hearing about all your finds as well. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2. The new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys out later. Bye! Let's take a look and see what we have over here. Oh, this is like a princess house thing. I think these are like, name holders, and you put like a little bud, like a flower bud. It's actually really cute. They're $1.99 each. I wish they'd sell them as a set. What is this? I can't even read it. Some Johnson Brothers England. Those are kind of cool.